Namaste. Welcome to Indea Yoga online learning. Now we will explore one of the most powerful practice with yoga. This is my experience in last 25 years of teaching. One of the powerful technique to keep ourselves light, energetic and healthy. It's a great practice as in a holistic health, and it can work to overcome the many of health issues. That's why it is called Kapalabhati, literally change the skull. And one of the powerful work to practice to overcome upper part related problems, namely migraine, tension headache, sinusitis, rhinitis, dust allergy, vertigo, epilepsy, anxiety, depression. If you go further, it's one of the amazing practice to come out of tonsillitis. Respiratory problems like asthma, bronchitis, hypertension. It also helps a lot to overcome problems like digestive related problems, constipation, irritable bowel syndromes, and amazing practice generally. And also certain area it need a proper guidance is during pregnancy. Someone has a heart related problem, people have hernia, slip disc, neck pain. These are the condition one has to go in a under proper guidance. That's why Kapalabhati is one of the most powerful practice of the day. That's why learning Kapalabhati in a right direction and giving some time and preparing well, it is very important. It might take a little time, but it should not be rushed. Now we will move to practice with the right technique. To start Kapalabhati, the most important thing, the right positioning. The best thing as to remember, sit and do it. If you are not so comfortable, you can also sit in a chair and do it. Here there are few important steps you have to remember. If you are comfortable, you can do Padmasana or the lotus pose. The spine remain uplifted and body relaxed. Some of us, maybe the first time we are trying, we never able to do Padmasana for the moment, then we can also loosen that to simple position called Sukhasana, simple crossed legs. And in case some time what happens, this is also hard for us. The knee hurts, back drops, neck collapses. In this condition, you have another asana called Vajrasana. You just bend the knees and sit on your heels with spine uplifted, and making sure all these three asanas spine stays uplifted and neck and shoulder relaxed. In case you have any difficulties any of these three asanas, then you can sit in a chair, making sure there also spine remain uplifted. Now we will proceed to the next step due to the technique. And most important, once your position is set well, body is relaxed, breath is naturally flowing, making sure there is no tension around the shoulder or neck, and also face is totally relaxed throughout the practice. And then slowly draw your left hand in the first round, draw your left hand on your belly. Keep the right index finger in front of your nostril and make sure the rest of the body remain relaxed and breath is naturally flowing. We will start right now with an active exhalation and a passive inhalation. always work on your active exhalation, like you can check there. The belly start moving as soon as you exhale. The diaphragm responds so quickly. And the faces remain relaxed, eyes gently closed in it, and the body completely relaxed into that except belly and the nostrils, and continue around 15 to 20 rounds in the first time, and consistently maintain the rapid exhalation, but do not rush at all. Once you finished around 15 to 20, then slowly stop the practice and just watch the breath. It stops naturally. It is called Kevala Kumbhakam. Just experience that. It takes you in a state of meditative. Enjoy that for a while and do not respond to it. After some time, the breath gradually restarts, but never forced to inhale or exhale. You have to keep watching that. Once the breath is almost coming back to normal, then prepare yourself for the second round. And here, if you have already understood your practice well, the movement and coordination well of the active exhalation and passive inhalation, rest the hands comfortably on your thighs and make sure remain the shoulder relaxed, the neck relaxed, face relaxed, spine remain uplifted. And the same what you tried in the first round, repeat now that around 20 to 30 strokes smoothly and steadily. You can just check there. If you continuously do this effortlessly, you see a beautiful reaction from the belly, and each exhalation becomes active. The inhalation automatically happens without any effort. And we will keep continuing that as we progress it. And once it reaches around 20 to 30 initial stage, gradually once again stop and observe. The breath again retains there. As you progress, the retention becomes longer and longer. The retention also natural. That is why it is called Kevala Kumbhakam. And once you are comfortably completed, and you have to be always make sure suddenly do not open your eyes, and when the breath is totally comes back to natural, we have to open our eyes with few gentle blinks and watch straight down to the floor and gradually look for the rest. Otherwise, you may get a little dizzy. That is why always remember, till the breath comes back to normal, should not open your eyes. One can continue this practice from this 20 to 30 strokes. You can gradually increase up to 150 to 200 strokes in a few months of consistent practice. And in case you have any health related issues, try to find an Indea Yoga teacher who can help you to guide, find how the harmoniously make few times a day. It can be practiced before lunch, breakfast and dinner. Otherwise, it is the best practiced in the early morning with empty stomach. And always remember, any of these practices you want to work, has to be empty stomach. And when you are very comfortable and you want to more advanced, the speed can be rapidly increased. And in the future, we will come back with more video related that, and keep tuning in. And thank you. See you in the next class.